Here's a little later model specialty vehicle in 2015 Ford Taurus SHO. Of course, the SHO or SHO stood for super high output. This was basically, Taurus was Ford's flagship that offered a full-size interior with luxury car quietness, top safety and technology, and of course you threw the SHO on there and you had the performance too. Underneath the hood, 3.5 liter EcoBoost twin turbo, putting out 365 horse. I believe it's around 350 foot-pounds of torque. Or pound-feet of torque, you should say. Silver in color, black interior. See the blacked out grille. Nice looking car. It does have a few imperfections up and down the side of it. Kind of show you a few of them, but it's been driven, I believe it's around 60,000 miles. We'll check out the exact mileage when we get into the interior. The 3.5 liter is paired with a 6-speed automatic, or you can paddle shift the transmission. So you get a 6-speed transmission paired up with that 3.5 liter. The 20-inch SHO only wheels. You have a larger braking diameter as far as the rotors go, on larger braking system on the SHOs also. It does have the HID or headlights, high intensity discharge. All the SHOs were an all-wheel drive vehicle. A little bit about this one. This one's also a 3-owner vehicle. So the third owner brought it to us. It's one we're representing for him. We'd like to move it and get it sold. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can check out this car, underside, interior, engine bay, just like we do with all of our specialty and classic vehicles. Look down below this video in the description. You're going to see a link. You can click on that. It'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, you can sure feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. I'm going to try to find, there were a couple little things. I don't know if I can get them to show up in the video here or not. There's one right here, but there's a couple real small door dings. Again, it's probably tough to get them to show up in the video there. A few small ones on that side, a couple little just tiny rock chips up in the fascia. Just trying to make you aware of those. This one does also have navigation and the Microsoft Sync system to it. Touchless keypad entry on the driver's door. Show you that when we get up to it. And we do consider trades. Maybe you get something that's a little more classic, a little older, you want to trade on this. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Show you the back seat here. These are very roomy. I mean, it's the full-size car. See, leather interior, front and back. Car actually still smells new. Very nicely cared for. Interior's in great shape. Here's that touchless keypad talked about earlier. Door cards, all the goodies that you'd expect to have. Late model car. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up. It does have WeatherTech mats in it there also. Some of the other dusty feet in here before I was in. Push button start. Memory seats. Sliding to where I wanted them. Again, the touchless, or I should say hands-free phone controls and what have you, where you can connect through the sync system. The interior looks like very, very nice shape. Again, please feel free to call with any questions. Number we can be reached at 507-386-1726. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video, open up the engine bay so you can check out how nice and tidy and see what that 3.5 looks like underneath the hood. All right, there's a 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost engine, 365 horse. Of course, this has power steering, power brakes, AC, all the amenities of a late model car. Take a look at how clean it is underneath the hood on the hood liner too. Not a lot of debris, not a lot of road grime and water is one in there. I also just remembered I forgot to show you the exact miles. I'm going to slip around there before we cut this video off. So there you go, 2015 Ford Taurus SHO. Check out the still pictures. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Maybe you got an older car you'd like to trade towards a newer one. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with the transportation. And let's quick check out those miles a second. There's the miles, 63,705. Give us a call.